In this video, I'm going to show you how to change folder icon on your Mac. Basically, it's pretty easy. Watch this. This is our old folder icon and this is our new. Basically, we can set any icon we want, and in this video, I will show you how to do this. It's pretty easy. Just follow the steps I do. So to do something like this, all we need is just to find the image, the icon which should be set like the image of the folder. Basically, to do this, we just need to open our browser, and here in the search bar just input macosicons.com. This is a website which provides us a lot of different icons we can set as icons of our computer. So here we can find something we need. We can try to search something, like we can input something like Netflix, Spotify, or do other stuff. Let's, for example, try to do something, maybe, I don't know, let's download like uncolored folder. Yeah, so as you can see, if you'll click on it, now it was successfully downloaded in the format like .icons, IACNS. So after that, we can just move this downloading here on our desktop, and after that, how can we set it as old folder, for example icon? To do this, all we need is just to click on it with the right click and then just go to get info right up here. So as you can see, here is our info about this folder, and to change this icon, all we need is just to click on our icon and then just drag and drop it right up here in the left top corner of this menu. So after that, everything is done and everything is ready. So I can show you one more interesting trick how we can do. For example, I saw one cool icon, for example, for Finder. So let's also try to change the file Finder icon, like Finder. Yeah, now let's be like I saw it somewhere here, like cool Finder. Yeah, so let's try to do the same with this, and we'll recognize is it possible to change, for example, like CapCut logo or Notion logo. So just click on get info. So is it here? Basically, I don't see it. Okay, so we can try, for example, to change the logo of some other stuff. Let's try to create a new folder and get info, and after that just set it as a icon. So yeah, everything is okay. Moreover, we can change the icon not only for folders, we can change it even for programs, for Notion, for Discord. It doesn't matter, we can do this, and this is a way how you can basically customize your desktop. I hope, guys, this tutorial was helpful for you and it made your life a little bit better. See you next time. Goodbye.